Hey guys, this is how to use Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Rubberized Sealant Spray. I love this stuff for little projects like this where I'm trying to seal in little nooks and crannies where it's hard to get caulking in there. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to clean the surface, make sure it's dust free, grease free, and oil free. Make sure the surface is dried completely, there's no dew or dampness on it. Next, I'm going to hold this can about 8 to 12 inches from the surface and do an even spray around it. I'm going to keep my rag handy in case I have a little overspray. I can just wipe it up real quick. This stuff still dries clear, so even if I don't get it all wiped up, you won't really notice it, and you can paint it with either latex paints or oil-based paints. What's awesome about this Gorilla Water Patch Seal and Spray is it's flexible, rubberized coats that seals out the water, air, and moisture. The application nozzle has a controlled spray pattern, providing a clean, even coat once applied. That self-leveling form smoothly covers small gaps and cracks, ensuring a watertight seal. When dried, Gorilla Proof Patch Spray is paintable with temperature resistant, resulting in lasting repairs. I can use this stuff on metal, concrete, wood, aluminum, brick, tile, fabric, rubber, glass, and more. I mean, this stuff is just a one-all for home maintenance and repairs. So I'm going around with the second coating now. I already put one coating on, I want to put another second coating in there. Sometimes you have to spray a couple coats in there just to really get it in every nook and cranny. And if you don't know where to find some of the stuff, I'm going to post a link in the description where you can get some of your own. Here's the finished product. I got a completely sealed in window now.